Good morning students. I am computer ma'am. Today we have to learn about lesson 3 MS Windows the operating system. What is the third lesson ma? MS Windows the operating system. Children's, a computer is made up of different parts. What are the parts of a computer? Yes, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, speaker. That is a parts of your computer. It does many things at a time. It therefore requires a manager. The manager of a computer is its operating system. The operating system is a software that helps us to operate a computer system to perform various functions. It manages and controls the different parts of a computer system and other software. Microsoft Windows is most commonly used operating system. Let's learn about Microsoft Windows working with Windows 7. Now Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is the most common operating system being used worldwide today. It is the most popular operating system. It is called a graphical user interface like GUI. It is based operating system because we use it to communicate with the computer through the graphics or pictures. We can perform different actions on it by just clicking the mouse buttons. Children, listen. Some of the examples of Windows operating systems are Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. However, the most commonly used version is Windows 7. Children, next one, working with Windows 7. When you switch on the computer, a message coming starting Windows appear on the screen. A Windows login screen follows this message. When we click on your user ID and enter your password. Next, we see the main screen of Windows called desktop. Otherwise, the opening screen is called desktop. See the images, children. First one, Windows login screen. Next one, Windows desktop. Children, listen. What is a desktop? The opening screen is called desktop. Yes, very good. Children, next one, Windows desktop. The opening screen of Windows XP is called desktop. Desktop is like our study table. We keep books or articles which we use frequently on the study table. Similarly, the desktop also contains useful and frequently used items or programs. We see mainly three things on the desktop. There are wallpaper, icons and taskbar. What are the three things on the desktop, children? Is wallpaper, icons and taskbar. Is good. Next one, wallpaper. A wallpaper is the background picture that we see on your desktop. Children, listen. What is a wallpaper? The background image or called wallpaper. Yes. Children, we can change the wallpaper of our desktop by following the given steps. Step 1, first click on the start button. Then choose the control panel icon. Next, step 2, when we click on the control panel icon, the control panel window appears. Here we click on change desktop background options from appearance and personalization category. Children, step 3, a new window appears. This is a choose your desktop background window. It shows a list of wallpapers we can choose from. When we click on any one option, we get a preview of what it will look like. On scrolling down, we can see more options. Then we can select a wallpaper of your choice and click on the save changes button to set the wallpaper. Next, to abandon the changes, click on the cancel button. Finally, close the control panel window by clicking on the close button. Children, next one, icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Some of the common icons on the desktop are My Computer, My Documents and Recycle Bin. When we double click on any icon, it's open in a new window. Icons basically represent programs, files or folders. Some commonly available icons on a desktop are described below. Children, listen. What is the icons? The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Yes, good. Children, listen. First one, computer. Computer icons. What is the uses of computer icons? It helps us to work in different drives and folders that stores informations inside a computer. Next one, Internet Explorer icons. It enables us to connect to the internet explorer is used to connect to the internet. Next one, recycle bin icons. What is the uses of recycle bin icons? Yes, it stores the deleted files and folders. Still we permanently deleted them. It is like a waste paper basket. Next one, documents. What is the uses of documents icon, children? Yes, it stores the documents or folders created by us which need to be accessed quickly. Next one, pictures icons. What is the uses of pictures icon, children? Yes, it is enables us to view and organize digital pictures. Children, listen. What are the some commonly used icons on a desktop? Yes, computer, internet explorer, recycle bin, documents and pictures. Children, next one, selecting an icon. The color of an icon changes. When we select it, we follow the symbol steps to select an icon. Step 1, first bring the mouse pointer to the icon. Step 1, first bring the mouse pointer to the icon. Step 2, then press the left mouse button to select it. That's all. Children, next one, deselecting an icon. How to deselecting an icon? Yes, the color of selected icon changes to its original color when it is deselected. Steps for deselecting an icon are as follows. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Next, step 2. Then click the left mouse button once. The icons get deselected. Children, next one, opening a program or folder. Yes, once we select an icon, it can be opened by double clicking on it. Next one, we can also right click on an icon and choose the open option to open it. Yes, next one, taskbar. Children, listen. That's all this class. Next we want to recall what is a operating system. Operating system is a system software which is interface between the user and computer hardware. A computer cannot run without an OS. Next one, desktop. What is a desktop? The opening screen is called desktop. Next one, wallpaper. The background pictures are called wallpaper. Next one, icons. What is the icons? The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Okay, children, that's all this class. Next we want to continue the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.